Upgrade your machining setup with Aloris Quick Change Tool Post. Visit www.aloris.com and make your purchase today. Aloris Tool is offering all customers to machine their T-nut for free with the purchase of a new tool post that includes individually or in any of the available sets. That's right, we machine your T-nut completely free with your order. We only require that you provide us the dimensions at the same time you make your purchase. Keep in mind the dimensions we need: B, base; C, center; D, stop; and E, overall height. Here you can see the information with the standard sizes of each T-nut. These are the standard sizes for each tool post that includes AXA, BXA, CXA, CA, DA, and EA. Don't miss out this opportunity to purchase your tool post today with your machined T-nut ready to start your project. Don't forget to place your order today at www.aloris.com. Visit us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.